This is a pressure reducing valve, non-relieving, and we try to adjust that. We set that to 750 psi. So we're using a relief as a load because the pressure reducing valve is control the pressure downstream. Now, as you notice, the pressure gauge there is not going up. So what happened is what? So he tried to put a load on the relief valve, but the pressure stays 115 psi. So you can now observe that the pressure reducing valve is only 115 psi because this controls the pressure downstream. No matter how you adjust that relief, it will not go up unless you adjust the pressure reducing valve. So here you might confuse because no matter how you adjust this pressure reducing valve, if that relief valve is all the way out, then you can get the load, because remember the relief is acting as a load. So you have to think. So you're putting a load, but the load is limited by the pressure reducing valve. So the way you adjust is put the load and see how much the pressure reducing spring. So there you can see that the pressure reducing spring is only 111 psi. So when you adjust the relief, the pressure reducing valve, when you're using a relief valve as a load, if the pressure reducing valve is out, to make it safe, you wind the relief valve all the way out and then readjust the pressure reducing and then recheck again. Alright, so now put a load on the spring of the pressure reducing valve. Don't be afraid to adjust. When you do the adjustment, don't be afraid because you have the relief valve there. And this pump here we set to 1000 psi, so it's safe. Then recheck again. So it's putting a load now, and we'll see how much now is increasing because keep going until you see how much pressure reducing spring. So there, you can see the pressure reducing, keep going. It's only 626. So wind out the relief. Always wind out the load for safe. And then you know already that the pressure reducing spring is only 626. So we need 750 psi. So you keep adjusting in and then recheck. So that's it. If you understand the principle, you will not, you know, you will not confuse. Now it's 700. Okay. So adjust again the pressure reducing. Yep. And then check. So that's it. Simple. So once again, the relief valve acts as a load. So it is important when you adjust pressure on a hydraulic, you wear a safety glass. So that one, 750 plus or minus 10 psi. So you might back off a little bit. So that's it. So this is the circuit of this system here, what we're doing. We actually setting this pressure reducing here. This red here is the upstream. So remember, the relief valve is control the pressure upstream. The pressure reducing is control the pressure downstream. All right. So this relief here is act as a load valve. Okay. Instead of cylinder or motor, we use relief, so that we know what force on the spring here. Okay. So this is our load. We load this so that we can adjust this reducing.